Hi everyone, welcome. Today we create a tone trading bot. It's very secure and fast bot where user can generate wallet and also can buy and sell tokens. Even this bot have referral system, so you can invite your friends and you can earn more tone. Also you can withdraw your tone anytime. Here is very big code we write for this bot. Let's test this bot. We will start. Okay, so here is the introduction and here is wallet. So you have to copy this wallet address and deposit. So first of all you have to get the private keys of your wallet. Let me show you how you can get. Simply you have to click on the wallet and here your details like wallet address and your balance, and you have to export wallet key, confirm. Here you can see is your wallet seeds, and here is the deposit tone. Okay, here you can withdraw tone. So when you enter your wallet address, it will check your wallet balance. If you don't have enough balance, it will be reject. Otherwise, and they will deduct the transfer fees and all other remaining funds will be transferred to you. And here you can see all new pairs, and if you want to buy all new pairs on tone blockchain, here is the option to buy. You have to paste the token address. Let me see any new tokens here, like this token. I will copy token address and paste it here. Okay, so it search the token detail, token price and trading volume. So we can buy with 10 tones, 50 tones. Also we can buy with custom, so we have to put the amount, then they will show the token balance also in our wallet. And you can also sell the tokens. Right now we don't have any tokens, so there will be error here while selling tokens before, because we have to first buy the tokens. So also we can check here refer friends. So right now we don't have any referral and we don't not earn any. Also we can set the percentage and here the link. So anyone want to buy this board, we can also make any modification on your demand, or we can create any kind of custom board.